easy cards, our bus passes, or
Feels like a long day, but it's only 2:30.
Before we left the airport, we needed to do one important thing: find 7-Eleven.
Hold up the pants.
our easy cards, our bus passes, or train passes.
So apparently you can get cute easy cards for the train at convenience stores. The cost depends on the card, so make sure you check the price. I got some pink cartoon and he got an anime. 2 days later, we swap our original easy cards for these new and improved ones. The remaining money couldn't be transferred, but we used it up at convenience stores. After purchasing our cards, we load 300 new Taiwanese dollars onto them and hope that's enough to get us to Taipei.
Hello. Station.
After 13 hours on EVA Air and very little sleep, we activated our eSIM, went through customs, which was super easy, and picked up our luggage. We entered the lucky draw online a week before arriving. It's a promotion the government made to increase tourism. Now the question that everyone is wondering, did we win anything? The odds were not in our favor. To get from the airport to Taipei, you can take 2 trains that take you to Taipei main station. The express train is the purple line and takes 39 minutes. The commuter train is the blue line. It stops at all the stations and takes 53 minutes. The trains alternate and come every 8 minutes or so. Since both trains cost about 150 new Taiwanese dollars, we took the commuter train because it arrived first. The $300 we loaded onto our easy cards was enough.
Do it? Well, they have toga. I mean, chicken puff. A lowland wrap.
Right?
One of them. Ponytail.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. So where are we at right now? We're finally at.
Taipei main station.
Okay, so now we're gonna drop off our suitcases somewhere and then try to go get some breakfast. Let's go see if we can find a locker. Okay, found a locker place. We're at exit 1, so hopefully we don't forget. We're just trying to fit our backpack in there. Let's see if it works out. Okay, we made it. I forgot the station's name. We're in some district. We're gonna go get breakfast at what's the place called?
Lao Jiang's House of Soy Milk or something like that.
Okay, well, hopefully we can find it.
I know where it is.
Okay, good. We're up at this Uniqlo too, so that's convenient.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
After a 5-minute walk from this station, we found Lao Jiang's House 24-hour soy milk shop.
Alright. I think this is our a little cloudy day today. That's okay though. Turn down here. Hopefully there's it. Soy milk shop. We're trying to order. See how it goes.
We got scallion pancake, pork stuffed sticky rice, a Chinese donut, radish cake, sweetened soy milk, and sweetened peanut drink. It was all really good.
How do you like it?
This is so good.
Yeah.
Pork and crispy stuff, so good.
Yep.
And a perfect first meal in Taiwan.
Tomorrow's supposed to be.
Alright, hon, what are you doing right now?
Are we trying to find a suitcase right now, or are we just
Well, I at least want to make sure we can locate it.
so go into that direction? Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna go in that direction just so at least we can locate it because, yeah, this is pretty confusing. So hopefully we find it, eh?
Yeah.
Which way do we go? Oh god.
Exit 1.
Okay, we're gonna try to find it.
We found it.
End it here.
Okay, we're just waiting for. Because we can't check in to our hotel until 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
Now it's 9:40, so we just kind of been wandering. We've been up forever, so.
We made it to Ximen Station to drop off our suitcases. Our hotel is only 3 minutes from the bustling center around Ximen Station, XimenDing, and right on top of a family mart.
Where are we?
We're in Ximen.
Are you tired?
Yeah. Do I look tired?
No, not at all.
No?
You're beautiful.
Okay, thanks.
Yep. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Where are we going?
We're going to Taipei City Mall.
What are you doing there?
We're gonna look for Pokémon.
Ooh, did we'll find any?
I hope so.
Let's hope.
And coffee. Me and coffee.
Yeah,
Coffee, coffee, coffee. Right.
we definitely need coffee. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so we're supposedly walking to where there's stuff. I guess we'll see.
Yeah.
Underneath Taipei Main Station is Taipei City Mall. According to Google, shops were supposed to open up at 11. But as you can clearly see, most things were still closed and it is very dark in here. Taipei City Mall is supposed to offer many things for shopping, like clothes, collectibles, and souvenirs. There are 2 crazy long hallways. It takes about 10 minutes to get from one end to the other, and then you have the second side to check out. So be prepared to do a lot of walking. Gacha machines were everywhere, and there were 3 or 4 PlayStation stores. Turns out you just need to wait a few hours after opening for stores to actually open. This place was busy and had a lot of stores to check out.
What did we get?
Oh, I got a
Oops.
orange jasmine, half sweet. It just
Ow.
tastes like jasmine, but it's good. And
Nice.
you got a Taiwanese oolong.
Yeah, Taiwanese spring oolong.
Yeah. And then we're gonna sit for a bit, and we'll get back out there.
Yep.
What time is it?
How are you feeling?
Tired.
We've been sitting here for like 20 minutes now.
It hasn't been that long.
I have no idea how long it's been.
Like maybe 10.
Are you ready to try again?
Sure.
Okay, we're gonna rest up, go down the hallway again, so now I think everything is open.
Yeah, that's...
Hopefully. Let's go see, I guess. Okay, this is round 2.
No, it's round 3.
Round 3. We came here at 11 when it's supposed to open. Nothing was open. Now it's 12:30 and hopefully everything's open.
Yeah.
If it's not, then I give up. Then we're going to the hotel and we're gonna chill there. But let's see.
Prices varied between stores. They had a lot of product and the Chinese versions were significantly cheaper than the Japanese and English stuff. The store with the Shrouded Fable ETB has a lot of reasonably priced English packs. This was one of our favorite stores. That pink one is from the Taipei Pokémon Center. After a few hours in Taipei City Mall, it's time to head to Ximen. While passing through Taipei Main Station, we notice a lot of bubble tea shops to try.
Back in XimenDing. Okay, we're just waiting to check in now, right?
Yeah.
It's been a long day, it's been... Oh man. Feels like it's definitely been 2 days. Can we go in here? Okay, let's go. Taking this out.
Every day, there was this guy just singing and enjoying life in XimenDing. Unfortunately, we have to mute it because of copyright.
Whichever way you want to go.
This way? Watch out. Motorcycle. Find ourselves down this random food street. Look, fruit!
We never bought fruit from here.
Ooh. Feels like a long day, but it's only 2:30. We're at the Family Mart now.
Yeah.
Look at all these chip flavors. I don't know if we're gonna get anything, but...
You want Swiss cheese?
Huh?
Do you want Swiss cheese?
If you want to.
Yeah. Or you think
Let's do
that'd
it.
be too weird?
It might be okay. Scallop flavor?
That jingle you just heard? Yeah, it played every single time the door to Family Mart opened.
Trying to get some water. Alright, here we go. This one's right next to the hotel, so it's convenient.
Welcome to our hotel. As you can see, we have a spacious room with a double bed, a full bathroom, and this incredible view that provided so much light at night. We actually really enjoyed staying here. It was a great location.
Oh, what do you think? This will work.
It's spacious, so that's what I
It's
like.
pretty spacious, yeah. The location's great, so
Right?
I'm happy.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna rest up a bit and open some Pokemon cards, I think.
Sure.
Okay, let's
Sounds
do it. Okay. Alright, let's show them what we picked up today so far. Let's see, what do we got here? Got a mix of some random Japanese packs, Chinese packs, English packs. We're gonna open them up. Excited?
Yes.
Hopefully we get something good.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. Maybe we'll come back and show you the hits.
Okay.
If there's any.
Yeah.
Hey Liz,
Hello.
where are we going now?
We're going out. I don't really know where though.
Then we're gonna go to Maggie first, which is supposed to be a good Pokemon shop. We opened some Pokemon cards. Got a gold Mew.
Yeah.
Yeah, last sold like $100. Chinese too. Cool. But yeah, we're gonna go check out Maggie. Okay, let's go. Hey, they have this one in Chinese.
Oh yeah.
The prices were a bit expensive, but they did have a lot of selection.
So we're in Maggie. A lot of cards here.
More
Oh,
like
I
you're
see.
upstairs.
I see. And that Pikachu. We're talking about that one, eh? A lot of One Piece over here. Some slabs. Oh.
We spent about 30 minutes in here and spent more than we are willing to admit.
So we just left Maggie, and now we're gonna see maybe go try to find some food.
Yeah.
Probably have an early night because we are exhausted.
Yeah.
Busy here. Holy smokes. What did we just eat?
Beef noodle soup.
How was it?
It is yummy.
It was yummy. Ate a lot of food today. What's this way? I think we're gonna head back now. So, yeah. Alright. Okay. We're back at the hotel.
Yeah.
We just finished day 1. Even though it's, what time is it right now? 6.
No, it's
5:40. Time is it? 6:07.
oh yeah, 6:07. Okay,
What time
sure.
did you think it was?
I don't know. Last time I checked, it was 5 something.
So you thought it was still 5 something?
Yeah.
Nope. Because we've been up since. Well.
Well, okay, so
So
our
currently-
time it's 3:08 in the morning
And
on a
we've been-
Wednesday.
On a Wednesday, and we've been up
Since Monday.
Since Monday
Monday
9. So we've been up for a long time because we got no sleep on that plane.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we're probably gonna turn in early today. What did we eat today?
We had beef noodle soup.
Mm-hmm. For
We
dinner,
had
yep.
some
Which
fried
we
chicken.
we couldn't film in there,
Yeah.
so but that was really good.
Yeah,
We had
okay.
some fried chicken that we didn't even. Yeah, we have no evidence that we had fried chicken, but we had fried chicken.
Yeah.
It was like, yeah, pretty good. We got some drinks from
Yeah, we had some
Taipei's
tea.
mall. Yep, some.
You had an orange jasmine, and
Yeah.
I just had a spring oolong.
Yep, and then for breakfast we had the
Oh, we went to Lao Jiang's house of soy milk or something. like
soy
that.
milk house or something, and that food was really good. Yeah, we're exhausted. Need to
Yeah.
unwind. Whew, what a first day. I don't even
Yeah.
know what we're gonna do tomorrow, but we'll figure that out later. Cause we need to
Sleep.
sleep. Yeah. Right, early day, but tomorrow should be more fun.
Yeah.
Should be interesting. But yeah. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Easy for you to say the